Welcome to the magical world of Regina and Sajal. We're all sick and we're trying to make the best out of the situation. Batti koi raksa. We're having tea. Sajal is taking Vanam calls. And this is the view. And that is Venus and Jupiter. I did one job which is Siraksu Kaunu. And this is what happened. Sajal is going to get now. Oopsies. Sorry. Looks like he is really pissed at me. Yes, come on Sajal, you can do it. Yeah, just washed it yesterday. Oh my god. Company Undisapiro. So I actually hate home workouts, but here we go because I have to get ready for Sasha's wedding. Look who's here! The new TikToker in town, in Nepal. Simi is here and she's going to Damok now.
Yeah.
You won't be here for Sajid's birthday.
Yeah.
You don't want to come also?
No. Garba, my mom is. Let's go.
Let's bake banana cake. Your girl baked a banana cake, but I haven't taken the clips. She has.
Yummy. I'm doing a TikTok.
Yeah, because she made TikToker. Yeah, I won't make YouTube.
To earn the money.
We can hear the rain coming from there, slowly, gradually. And here it hits. So you can hear it coming actually from a mile away. So I just wanted to document that. But I'm a little late. Vanam and khola and Simi and I am late. So Simi got a little pissed. Simi, show me your face. Are you angry?
No, I'm just sad. What if you don't get to swim?
We'll get to go to khola, don't worry.
No, I wanted to
But swim. You'll get to swim. You'll get to swim in Vanam also.
I want to swim in Vanam. Swimming pool everywhere we can swim, no?
Okay. Lot. यस्तो ज्यादा पस्नु हुँदैन ल
Yo, this gummy bear Goldberg, please sponsor me.
So we are going to khola, Vanam and then khola, and we are getting warned about not to go to khola.
Then or no?
First Vanam and then khola. Oh, lunch khandeno. So we are here in Vanam, and guess who's vlogging?
Me. Stay tuned for my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Reggie's YouTube channel. This is Vanam Vihara. I'll show you how it's done. Reggie, this is how you vlog. That's the new gazebo. So last time I was here for New Year's. It was not made. Then, how do we flip the camera? So there's this new pond which will turn into a koi. They put koi fish here. Hore, and that's the 3 cottages. Apparently they have guests, so we cannot go inside. It's really beautiful. And there goes Reggie. Hello. Gigi representing Darjeeling and Anuragda representing La Mahata. La shit. This is a sign from God to actually move.
I played TT, and then I lost the ball.
Yeah, this is a sign. See, where is the sun?
So now we have to walk to the river trail. Are we ready?
How cute.
He hates walking. Exactly. Such a beautiful tree. And according to Simi's friends, my videos are here, Simi? Raw. They only watch.
Not aesthetic.
Yeah, so I'm not aesthetic. No, aesthetic is also an aesthetic, guys. FYI. It's real aesthetic ones that they like.
I want you to make aesthetic.
No, you once recommended.
No, so much.
Oh, sorry. So there's the khola. But I didn't know it was this commercial, like.
कौन से दुनिया में आएंगे हम?
Sajal, are you happy?
Hello. Yeah.
Anurag, are you happy?
Super happy. Thank you.
So there are tents as well. Looks like Simi is loving the view. Simi, how happy are you?
Very, very, very happy.
The struggle is real. Chicken chili and Bye Sajal go by the riverside. Okay, Bye took like more than an hour to come. Simi is ready too. It's drizzling a bit and they are swimming in the khola. I'm a little scared. Firstly, some of my friends are coming to Vanam, thinking of bringing them here again. But I have to go to Darjeeling. Malay no garo no Sajal. Sajal no. There's a big crab there. Oh my god. Oh, it's coming here. Oh my god. Hi.
हामी चाहिँ फर्किँदैछ है रिभर ट्रेलबाट तर रिभर ट्रेलमा चाहिँ मजा आयो मेन चाहिँ हाम्रो सजल सर र हाम्रो सिमरनलाई आयो जाँदा चाहिँ बोल्दै बोल्दै जाँदै थियो सिमरन चाहिँ आउँदै चाहिँ चुपचाप भएर उकालो हिँड्नु पर्दैछ
We are headed to Vanam for some cha. Okay, Vanam in the evening. It's packed today, so we are here to meet Apuda, who's just recovering from typhoid.
Typhoid broke.
And he's showing his new toy, AI drone. La. Bye, Simi.
Hello, bye bye.
So मैले चाहिँ आरुचा मेरो ससुरालीबाट यहाँ माइती घर ल्याएको थिएँ नेबर्सहरूलाई दिन आँटेको थिएछ तर मम्मी के भयो अरे मम्मी र
एउटा ट्राई गरेको त मिठो हुँदो रहेछ
लानु मम्मी कस्तो भयो दामी
दामी म त के जान्नु तैँले जान्दो रहेछ
अझै ल्याउनु
बस्तीको
भनिरहेको
त त्यही हो
So Darjeeling during the FIFA World Cup season.
Hi guys, welcome back to Reshna's YouTube channel.
Club's done. And we are headed to Vanam. They are our first Vanam guests. So premium treatment where I myself come to get them and take them. Hi Sunday. We're waiting for Udin's friend. Friends are here at Vanam. So Sunday made cocktails for them. Not for me. I just can't go because I'm on antibiotics. Sunday made amazing mocktail for me, and they're having cocktails, and now yeah, juice.
I got boiled aloo.
Huh?
Boiled aloo from more. They're surprising Udin.
Happy birthday to you. So now we are headed to swim and barbecue. Pork barbecue here.
Like
Firefly on our table. So we are watching a music video, and here is the actor. So dinner time. Sajal and me, we are headed to get Udyo.
I think my baby.
Ubi, okay, there's a frog.
What buyo? It's coming to you.
Okay, there's a frog. There's a frog.
Yo kira khanja.
Okay, and how to run away from it?
No, why to run away? You are faster than it.
Okay, Sajal will go get aloe vera for me in the body. I'm not going.
Here, you come now.
Oh, I didn't want to door lock.
I'll show you where the aloe vera.
I don't want to see.
Oh, there's a snail also.
Oh my god, I don't want to see. Get me an aloe vera. Okay, now let's go.
Yeah.
Sajal's birthday is coming soon, and this got him. This is something that he wanted for a long time. This is the watch. It's Seiko Passage. And can you see this color switching as it moves? How cool is this? Good morning. The mountains and the clouds are one. And it's Sajal's birthday in 2 days. We are going to Darjeeling today. So happy Father's Day to Appa and Agu. Sajal's birthday is Father's Day, but we won't be here. Whenever I go home, Appa sends hamro bariko fresh stuff. So we are home today for Sasha's wedding tomorrow and day after, and it's Sajal's birthday also day after. Mommy off this is Sajal's summer. Sasha is getting married in the church and we want to make it to church. So we are deciding what suit is gonna go with my dress. So yeah, see ya. So we are ready for the mass and we're late. Thank you. Mommy, मेरी hair है ना? आपने बनाया था? आपने बनाया? Oh, your clips is such a long. No, Sajal. Okay, so we are late. Sajal. Okay, Sasha and Rohan ko romantic pics.
Hi.
So we decided to come to OG and not go and change for cocktails. So I'll be wearing the same dress. So everybody is out to change their clothes. I'm going to change my hair at So this is how my hair looks from the front, but from the back it's a better view. Like, I don't know if you can the clock tower, all misty Darjeeling.
Welcome back to the fabulous life of Darjeeling.
Subscribe to Fabulous Life.
No, it's for yours.
Oh, so I'm saying.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, today I had this pleasure to be in Regina's vlog.
Oh.
So do subscribe my channel also. But I don't have a YouTube channel, but the fabulous life of
Darjeeling
Darjeeling.
on Instagram.
Yeah, you can follow.
So here at Glenrie's, Sasha's cocktail evening.
On the floor, please. The bridesmaids and boys. Suddenly missed Rohan. I can't see Rohan somewhere. Where's Rohan?
Cheers,
You guys
guys.
can have a
Cheers,
people
Sunday.
chair I want to remember Mera Ama, my mother, Cecilia, grandmother, who left us a month ago. Today is her birthday, right? We tried to keep this small because 8 mahina pani biteko chaina. But at the same time, Mero Ama, Sasha ko boju यहाँ भए चाहिँ नि नाच्दै गरेको हुन्थ्यो गीत गाउँदै गरेको हुन्थ्यो हैन she never demanded attention hey Sasha middle child 5 जना छोरीको बीचमा 5 जना छोरा छोरी बीचमा है Sashaले attention नै माग्दैन क्या अनि मेरो लागि शुभ लागेर भए पनि मेरो लागि हेरिदिरहेको हुन्थ्यो क्या There were times in my life when it was difficult financially पैसा रुपियाँमा साह्रो पर्थ्यो 7 साल दार्जिलिङ छोडेर यिनीहरू सानो हुँदाखेरि विस्थापित भएका थिए क्या साशाले ब्राइडल मेकअप नेल्स eyelashes गरेर रोहनको सलुनमा आफ्नै पैसा मेरो यो छोरीले कमाउँदैछ Raise a toast for my daughter Sasha and my son Rohan. May God bless them always.
I was not prepared for this, but yeah, these are things which you actually don't prepare for. As I was just sitting outside and just contemplating and saying what to say, thinking like, okay, but she's my daughter. So actually when your child, like especially your daughter, like as good as Sasha, you know, gets married, it's like a piece of your heart. You know, it's like a piece of your heart just being taken, you know. Don't take it otherwise, but I mean it's gone to a good person, but it's like she's like a part of me, you know. So Sasha's been an amazing daughter. Like she was naughty when she was young, but I'm so proud of her because she's so feisty, she's so independent, and she's got a mind of her own. And I'm so happy that she's got a partner like Rohan, and God bless both of them. Love you.
Studying in NB, everyone had a crush on my sister, man. I don't know what to do, bro. Every time I go to school,
I wish I could hold on to you forever. Man, it was just the 5 of us. We always slept in one room our whole childhood. We never had our own rooms. You know, the 5 of us always shared a room. And I still remember mom and dad, like, you know, up in the room and calling us for like breakfast or like something. So I wish I could. I don't know. You have inspired me in so many ways. I think I've never been able to say this to you as often as I wanted to. But like, I remember you just used to talk about, I want to do nails, lashes. You just used to talk about that. I literally reminisce. And you're literally now doing that. Like you're living your dream life. And that has inspired me because inspired me to like, you know, be the best version of myself. And I think you represent the best version of me. Something that I should have been, could have been, but unfortunately I can't. But I think you are the epitome of beauty with brains. You know, like, even when mom and dad were separating, I had a very bad time dealing with it. My mental health was plummeting. It was next level. I was having panic attacks. And just Sasha saying a few words would calm me down, like, and then in another world, maybe she should have been the older sister and maybe I the younger. A lifetime of success, happiness, and unconditional love. And you guys will go. Thank you. Like she's the kindest person I know, and I love the way that you are like so thoughtless in so many ways. Finally thoughtful, and even when we were going through a lot growing up, I feel like you've been a pillar for me, a reason to stay strong.
like they said, we were always in the same room growing up together. It was very embarrassing. Let me fucking speak, man. So we've been very tight. So Rohan, if you mess with one, you mess with the 5. We've always been tight. And welcome to Salon.
So I got beer spilled on my dress, my amazing dress, by this sweetie baby. The sorry face today. Natural lashes, guys, natural lashes.
हाम्रो दीर्घ आयु र सुरक्षा होस्
उतै हेरेर भन्नु।
हुन्छ थ्याङ्क यू आमा थ्याङ्क यू धन्यवाद
मामा
हुन्छ मामा धन्यवाद मामा धन्यवाद मामा
Nice, nice. So cake taxing because it's early in the morning, so here's a fruit palette.
This is the birthday cake for my husband. Happy birthday, my king, in the toilet seat. And ordered the cake from Suveksha Baini, the cake fairy, and she sent a note. So nice. Happy birthday, Sajal. Benaju, wish you a day filled with happiness, laughter, and all that. Happy birthday, Sajal. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
May God bless you. Oh, happy birthday to my man, Sajal. We are late for the wedding and we are rushing. Oh my god, I know I don't look good right now, but I'm looking good.
छुप न जाओ जी मन जीत कराओ जी राखों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी चले हम कमारे उनके बने सभी वाले
What the fuck is this?
So ending my long vlog, very eventful week with a party. Hello Sajal.